The warning timing and effectiveness test quantifies the timing of effective warning events on the operator warning system by simulating near misses. This test also assesses the overall warning effectiveness against the acceptance criteria. This test comprises two scenarios, a head-on and a reverse-on near miss. During this test, no interventions from the CxD system will be applied to either vehicle. Test Vehicle 1 will be stopped by the test driver. Scenario 1, head-on, near miss. In this scenario, Test Vehicle 1 will approach Test Vehicle 2 in the forward direction at a speed of 5 and 30 km per hour. Test Vehicle 2 will remain stationary with operator stop active. Scenario 2, reverse on near miss. In this scenario, Test Vehicle 1 will reverse towards Test Vehicle 2 at a speed of 5 km per hour. Test Vehicle 2 will remain stationary with operator stop active.